Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best honey mustard sauce. First, gather your simple ingredients, then combine them in one bowl. You'll be able to adjust the flavors to your liking, ensuring a perfect sauce every time. This easy method means you can serve it right away or store it for later enjoyment. It's a versatile condiment that's always a crowd pleaser. To start, you'll need 1/2 cup of Dijon mustard, which provides a smooth, tangy base. Next, add 1/4 cup of honey for that essential sweetness. For a creamy texture, incorporate 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Finally, a small amount of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice will brighten the overall flavor, making it truly irresistible. Now for the fun part. Simply whisk all your ingredients together in a bowl until the sauce is completely smooth and well combined. Give it a taste and feel free to adjust the honey or mustard to achieve your preferred balance of sweet and tangy. For a little extra zing, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper. If the sauce is too thick, you can thin it out with a teaspoon of water or a bit more vinegar. Your delicious honey mustard sauce is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with chicken tenders, soft pretzels, or as a vibrant salad dressing. For storage, transfer any leftover sauce to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Remember to give it a good stir before each use to maintain its perfect consistency and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.